Hello everyone, this is Eric from COW Group. Today we have finished a aluminum alloy fuel tanker trailer. Here is right behind me. The capacity is about 45,000 liters. This one is a special design for the customer with a lightweight design. So the whole tank body and the frame is in aluminum alloy. Let me show you some details. The type is 5182. It's a special type aluminum alloy. And the thickness of the tank body is 6 millimeters. It's actually a very thick thickness, so it's very durable. And the whole tank body is separated in 4 compartments. So you can load your fuels in each separated compartment, like diesel in one and another one is petrol. The whole trailer is in 3 axles, as you can see here. It's Chinese famous brand Fuwa brand, and each axle is 13 tons. It's very heavy duty for most road conditions. And the tire size is the most common size, which is 12R22.5. Radius tubeless tire. This is most common size, and the brand is Triangle brand. As you can see here, the tank body welding workmanship is very good. It's like a wave shape, very beautiful. Here is the valve box. Let me open it for you. It have a pneumatic supporting bar, so it's very easy to open. And over here you can see is the bottom loading system. Totally 4 compartments, so each compartment have a loading and unloading box. Okay, it is open like this way. Just turn it and then open it and fixed here, so you can put inside the pipe and then connect with the loadings. And here is the Viper recovery system, which have a pneumatic switch. Sensor, so it's to protect the tank for overfillings, and you can connect the sensor with the depot. And all of here you can see here, this is a 4 compartment switch, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each one is a pneumatic control with its separated valves, separated compartments. It's the static connection wires. So if there any static on the truck, you can use these clips connected onto the station to make sure that it is safe in loading and discharging. And you can see here, this is the landing gear. It's in Jost brand, E100 models. This Jost is a German brand, very heavy duty. So you can using this bar to lift up or lower down the landing gear. That's all for the introduction. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any inquiry, please let us know. See you next time. Bye.